All right, so folks, she's just 18 years old and she's accomplished so much. Her latest achievement is the Governor General's Award, Warrant Officer Class 2. Gabrielle Thompson joins us now. Gabby, morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. How are you?
I can't complain. Give thanks, and thanks for asking. How that made you feel, Governor General Achievement Award? Who nominated you? How you know you get nominated and stuff? Tell me about that.
Well, I found out I was nominated from my second in command of the 3rd Battalion, Captain Christine Wright. She nominated me for the award. Honestly, when I found out, I was just truly humbled and honored to be even considered for such a prestigious award.
Fantastic, and congrats. But it's not the first one you get. You got a big one. Duke of Edinburgh International Awards, bronze in 2018, silver in 2020. So it's not the first time you get a big-time award. Tell me about that one.
All right, so the Duke of Edinburgh International Award, they have 3 levels. They have bronze, silver, and gold. So in completing this now, you have 4 categories in which you would have to complete. So you have service, skill, physical recreation, and then an adventurous journey. So there's a specific amount of hours in which you would be required to complete. And once you do that, log it, and you have an assessor sign off on it. And it is sent up, they assess it and see if you did what you're supposed to do. Once you did that, then you're clear for the award.
Oh, man, congrats again. You're a big thing. Why cadets? And there, before you go cadets, don't there's a female, not female cadet, but there's don't like the guys would be cadet and don't the females have another name? What is it?
Brownies. At primary school, it was brownie.
Brownies, Gabby. No, chop. Gabby, may I get old enough? I can't remember these things. So you were never a part of the brownies thing?
Most definitely I was. Most definitely.
So how come you end up being a cadet?
So we used to always have parades in Fort Maria, right in front of the Civic Center. So whenever I go, I always used to see these persons in their nice uniform and marching and all that. And I'm saying, no, man, when I reached me in high school, mind you, I didn't even know. I didn't even do GSAT or anything. I said, you know. So I said I was going, when I reached me in high school, I'm going to join that.
And that when get you in trouble with the brownies, because you said the cadet people have nice uniform, which would suggest that the brownies were not so nice. But I'm not going to ask you that question.
You know,
I'm not going to ask you, how do I get in trouble? Who is a warrant officer class 2?
All right, so warrant officer class 2, with the ranks, there are different appointments. So my appointment right now is the Cadet Battalion Drill Sergeant of the 3rd Battalion Jamaica Combined Cadet Force. However, you can have different warrant officers with different appointments.
You're a big thing. So what is your role? Is you order the cadets round and tell them what to do and stuff?
Somewhat. So the role of the Cadet Battalion Drill Sergeant now, it is to ensure a high level of drill and discipline within the battalion, and also to assist the Cadet Battalion Regimental Sergeant Major in performing his tasks or to do it in his absence. And I must say, congratulations again, Cadet Battalion RSM 001, Mr. Romain. He made history as well, becoming the first cadet to receive the rank of Warrant Officer Class 1 and also the appointment RSM.
Right, Gabby, I keep saying congrats and wonderful. You're doing such a great job. I was going to ask, well, I'll still ask if you're going to become a soldier, but I say I've read that you want to go to medical school.
Yes, sir. I'm thinking maybe that, probably there's a slight chance that after I go to medical school and I study, then maybe I'll join back the army. Maybe, just maybe.
Couldn't you do both in a very serious way? Couldn't you not join the army and study for what you want to be, a doctor? Dentist. So don't you could be a dentist in the army? And I mean, that's a serious question. Couldn't you do that?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I would go study and then come back and be a dentist in the army.
Oh, I thought you could do it the other way around, go into the army and then while you're in the army, studied to become a dentist. I thought you could do that. Boy, I am so impressed with you. Congratulations. You look wonderful in your uniform.
Thank you.
So you ball out and attention, you do all kind of thing like that?
Yes, sir.
I enjoy that though when you have to tell everybody what to do, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Gabrielle, so I mean, I'm seeing you here, but it's so great to meet you. Continue to do what you've been doing. Obviously, very accomplished young lady. And I pray that you will just get where you want to be and you will get there very quickly. And hopefully you will be in the army. I think we need somebody like you in the army. All right?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
When you turn dentist, I probably got too old to come and see you. But who knows? If you turn a dentist, then I might just come see you and you look after me. All right?
Definitely, definitely.
Take care. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
Man, our pleasure. Gabrielle Thompson, Governor General's Achievement Awardee. Still to come, the Jamaica Railway Corporation tells us about their plans for the school train, but the second edition of News in 5 comes up next. Stay with us, please.